Okay, welcome back to the channel. Hey, I want to go over a trade that I'm currently in. Um, the reason I shorted up here is because we came up to the VWAP. We've got three trapped buyers up here, so I kind of went in up in this area, right up in here, and the reason for that is because we have a 76 lot, 82 lot. We have some buyers up here that got trapped. So I went on ahead and went short. I've already taken some profits down in here, but I got a runner up here, and my stop is right here at 91. So you see that shelf right there. So if we start trading above that, we probably come up here to the 187. Now, if I was really thinking, what I could have done was added to the trade once I saw that 187, and I could have added to the trade and got myself another 30 points. But on the right, you will see the DOM that I'm currently working on. You're going to need level 2 for this. Now, the DOM, I got a lot of it already done because the logic was already done for the indicator, and I'm just reusing the data that I have for the indicator, the market data that I'm getting. I'm just passing it on to the code for the DOM here. This is OFB DOM prototype. That stands for order flow bars DOM prototype. So I wonder if I'm going to get stopped out. But hey, it is what it is. I've already taken some profits. I'm in a $50 point winner already. So 50-point winner. So that's pretty good. And right here, this is the DOM. This is the volume profile right here. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done for the DOM. But as you can see here in the bid and the ask, we have the highlight area right here. We have 39 contracts right here. The lighter the area, the more resting orders there are. As you can see up here, we got 37 resting orders and 42. And then right here on this column, this is the delta right here. So we're kind of holding the 739, and we've been holding that. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to get taken out at 758 because that's right up here at 758 at this 163 delta up here. But I've been trading the NQ for over 10 years, so I really enjoy trading off of a DOM as far as the volume profile and as far as reading the orders and the flow of and the rhythm of the tape. I really like trading that, especially for hyper scalping, and also trading the delta, these ledges right here for support and resistance. I really like trading that as well. So I just wanted to go over a trade that I was currently in and why I took it. Also, I took more trades earlier. I took this trade right here. These buyers right here kind of stepped up. So I just went in kind of small, and then we got this pop right here. So I just went on ahead and sold it, and then we just consolidated it on through. Now, I didn't get this big, huge short right here. That would have been really nice. But what I did get in was right here because I was kind of like, I don't know. And then I was just waiting around. Then I just finally pulled the trigger, and I finally got something good. So I went on ahead and pulled the trigger, and then got out about up in here about 40 points. So that was pretty good. And early in the morning, well, it's right here. I took a quick scalp because these shorts, it seems like they were going to get caught. So I went on ahead, and once we broke this area, that 49 buyer, once we broke that high, I went on ahead and got in for a quick scalp because we went up to the VWAP. So I tightened up my stop. We had this absorption area. We had imbalanced buy, but we had an absorption because we kind of closed below it. And then I just got out. I think I got out for like 15, 20 points. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think it was like 15 points. I'm not too sure. But this is a trade that I'm currently in right now. And this DOM right here, we have the NQ March 26th. Now the bin, the number 4, what that is that if you look on the price here, if you look really close, it'll say 741, 742, 43, 44, 45. That's because it is binning all the bid and the asks and the volume and the delta for one whole point. And the reason I do that is because NQ is a thinly traded market. It's not like a thickly traded market like the ES. Now, the ES, you wouldn't do this. You would just keep it at 1. So if you just want to do 1, you just change this to 1, and then you're done. But the reason I do that for NQ is because, well, the NQ moves so fast during the morning. I just don't want to deal with it. So I just bend it. I just tick merge it to like 4 ticks, and I just go off of 1 point. But this is going to be the DOM. There's going to be some things I'm going to be working on it. Any real large orders, like anything like 50 and above, and all this is going to be user settings anyways. It's going to have like a dot that shows up that shows, hey, there's an orders, resting orders over 50. Here, let me tighten this thing up a little bit right here. Uh, so that is there's going to be a dot right here. If there's like 50, if there's 50 resting orders, there's going to be like a little dot. Also, if there's 50 resting orders up here, there's going to be a dot for the sell. But as you can see here, right now, I think I have it above 25 or something like that. That's really red. Here, let me maybe, yeah, maybe lock some more in. Because if we go up here to 739, then we're going to be taking out 741. I'm at 742. Let's just move this to 741. So 741 would be right here. That's this delta right here, the +7. So if we take out 739, then we'll probably move up. But I'm just trailing the stop. So what I'm looking to do is have another column in between the bid and the ask, and what I'm looking to do is in between there, have like these large orders like this 77, have that show up where the price is right there, so people can look and be like, oh, okay, there was a large buyer and we're trading below it, and the sellers are stacking on the tape, and then we're taking out the buyer, and they're going to get squeezed. So that's what I'm going to do on the middle column right here, is put these bubbles right here, those numbers with maybe a translucent bubble, and a column in between the bid and the ask, so you can kind of see where you're at. So you can look at the volume profile, you can look at the tape, and you can look at the delta, and you'll be able to see right in between the bid and the ask where the large buyers and sellers are, where they were in the past and where they are now, because obviously when a large buyer or seller kicks off and the bubble shows here, it's going to show up in between the bid and the ask on the DOM. So that's all I have. I just wanted to do a quick video because I was in this trade and I was like, oh man, I should do a quick video to tell people why I got into it. And that's because of these buyers up here. The VWAP is sloping down and the buyers got caught. And as you can see, I'm on the 2-minute chart. So, and you got a little sneak peek at the DOM, what I'm currently working on. We'll talk to you later. Bye.